Hi, this is Nick from Whitetip SEO. Thanks for taking the time to watch this video. I'm going to share with you some really powerful information which can not only save your business money, but also potentially make your business a lot more money by doing things correctly online. So in the next 5 minutes, you're going to learn how to save money with advertising, especially Google Adwords. And secondly, you're going to learn how you can get more from Google, maybe even more than you thought possible. So please stay tuned and I appreciate your time. Okay, so let's jump straight into this information. This is a little bit of keyword research I've done using my fancy software that basically pulls back information directly from Google's database. And this is basically all the keywords or phrases that people are putting into Google every single month on the left. And on the right-hand side under searches, we have the amount of searches per month that each keyword gets. So basically, yeah, there's a lot of potential here. There's probably at least 1,000 people searching just for these keywords, and they're all pretty much related to your business type. Electricians in Glasgow. So yeah, about 1,000 people. The best keyword is obviously Electrician Glasgow, with 390 people searching for that every single month. If you were advertising Google Adwords, you'd be paying around £2.55 an average if you were the very top advertising per click. So let's have a look in Google at that keyword. So if you do a search, you're going to see something like this, similar. So up here highlighted is AdWords, which if you're watching this video is what you're doing right now. So you're either up here where I'm highlighting, or you're somewhere here on the right-hand side if you're paying enough money per click. Otherwise, you might be on the page 2. What I do is a little bit different. I work to get your website up here to this #1 position just underneath the advertisements. So there's a lot of advantages to this, and it can save your business a lot of money and make it a lot more money as well. So the main advantage obviously is that you're not paying every time someone clicks on your link. So once we've done the work to get you up here, it's almost like free advertising pretty much, which is pretty much unheard of in, most of the time you're always going to have to pay for getting new leads. But this is a pretty amazing opportunity. So that's the main advantage, obviously. Also, another thing to note is a lot of people don't like advertising. This is an article about that very topic. There's this thing called ad blindness in the advertising industry, and it still applies with online advertising as well. So a lot of people are basically going to avoid the advertisings here, or the advertisements, the Google ads. They're going to go straight past them, come down to what's known as the organic list, or the organic listings, which means, according to this article anyway, 94% of people are going to avoid the paid ads. So that's a lot of people that you're not getting to come to see your business or your website just because you're advertising instead of having a natural result. So that's another advantage. So another thing that people will often say to me is, Nick, I'm already on the first page of Google naturally or organically, so I don't really need your help. I don't need you to do anything for me. And I'll say, that's great that you're you're on the first page, but if you're not actually #1, then you're missing out on most of the traffic. As you can see from this example image here, this is an image kind of illustrating one study they did, and it basically shows you that about 55% of people are going to click on that very top listing. And even compared to the second place is only getting about 1/4 of the amount of visitors coming to that website as the first place is. So it's really important to get to that #1 organic position in Google. Can't really state that enough. So before I end this part of the video, let's just do a little bit of an example. Say you were to be #1 for Electrician Glasgow, 390 searches per month. If you were to be in this position here, you would probably get about half of those people based on what I just showed you here. So half of 390, let's just say you're going to get about 190 people per month going to your website. So even if your website was converting not particularly well, converting visitors into clients or customers, let's just say it was converting at 7%. Times 0.07 for 7%, that's still 13 new clients every single month to your business if you have this listing here, this top position. And just for that one keyword as well. There's many other keywords we could work with. So I don't know what an average customer value is for your business, but I'm pretty sure you're going to make at least £50 on the very low end per new client or customer. So let's just times that by £50, and that's £665 of revenue for this example, which is probably a complete understatement if you were to have this position That's a rough idea of the potential of this. So you can see how powerful it is to have this top position. And you got to remember that once you're at this point, you're not paying for advertising. So really powerful stuff. And just before I end the video, I want to show you a little bit of proof, because proof speaks much louder than words. So if you come to Google UK and put in SEO Edinburgh, you're going to see me in the top 6, I believe it is. The first one is an advertisement, so I'm actually currently number 7 right now. But this is a video that I did back in September and already ranked number 7 for a pretty competitive keyword. Obviously, all these people know how to do SEO. Also, if you go back to Google UK and do fixed price SEO, you'll see again I'm in the top 5. There's Whitetip SEO right there. You can do these searches yourself, just want to show you a little bit of proof. Also, for a client that we've worked with, if you search for IT support, Northern Ireland, in Google UK, you'll see Helios IT is number 1. That's a client of mine. And I've actually got a lot more proof, so if you want to ask me about that, feel free to, and I'm happy to share loads more examples of how I've helped clients to get number 1 rankings. So feel free to ask me. So basically, I'm looking to work with one company in each industry, and I can only work with one because otherwise that would be unethical and I'd be basically playing 2 companies off against each other. So I can't do that. It's one company in each industry, and I really have to respect those that contact me first. And if someone contacts me and we decide to work together, then that's pretty much the only, that's closed offer to anyone else in that industry. So yeah, pretty much it's a limited time offer. I'm going to work with one person in each industry. So if you want to secure your spot, please do get back to me quickly. And you can do that by either giving me a call straight away and we'll set up a meeting or whatever you like, or you can email me by replying to this email that the video came in, or just send me an email as you see on the screen there. So I really appreciate your time. Thanks for watching, and I hope to talk to you soon. Cheers. Bye.